This installation video is applicable for AFL splice-on FuseConnect LC connectors on 900 micron tight buffered fiber. These step-by-step instructions demonstrate the termination of the connector using a Fujikura 90S Plus Fusion splicer. The LC FuseConnect connector includes the following materials: a boot unit, a protective sleeve, a ferrule unit, and connector housing. Always wear eye protection when handling optical fibers. Dispose of any cut or cleaved ends properly. Do not touch the cleaver wheel with bare hands. Begin by loading the ferrule unit into the right side of the Fusion splicer. Slide the connector boot and protective sleeve onto the fiber. Using the template provided in the connector packaging, mark the fiber at 35 millimeters from the end of the fiber. Strip 35 millimeters of 900 micron and 250 micron coating off, exposing the bare fiber. Clean the fiber with a lint-free wipe and fiber preparation fluid. Place the fiber in the 900 micron FuseConnect fiber holder with the end of the 900 micron coating at the end of the fiber holder. Close the fiber holder clamp. Load the fiber holder into a precision cleaver and cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber holder with the cleave fiber end from the precision cleaver. Load the fiber holder into the left side of the Fusion splicer and close the wind protector. Splice the fiber to the FuseConnect connector. Once the splicer has performed a tension test on the splice, open the fiber holder and ferrule unit holder clamps. Continue to keep tension on the splice while removing it from the Fusion splicer. Slide the protective sleeve over the splice so that it is flush with the ferrule unit. Position the sleeve in the center of the heater while continuing to maintain contact with the ferrule. Heat the protective sleeve. After allowing 1 minute for the sleeve to cool, remove the assembly from the heater. Remove the transfer cap. Slide the boot assembly up to the ferrule, keeping a light tension on the fiber at the back of the boot. Slide the connector housing onto the boot unit. Align the key on the boot and the keyway on the connector housing. It will only align one way. Push until a click is heard. Snap the protective cap off the transfer cap and place it onto the ferrule. The termination is now complete.